Have you ever wondered what those white lines coming out of an airplane are? Some people believe they're chemicals, but they're really just frozen water molecules. Those streaks are called condensation trails, short for contrails, and they form at high altitudes where the air is really cold. So in a general combustion reaction of jet fuel, the reactants, being oxygen and jet fuel, which typically made from carbon and hydrogen, which is this configuration is heptene by the way, react to produce carbon dioxide and water. And since the jet fuel burns at such high temperatures, which is usually around 2000 degrees Celsius, the water that comes out of the jet is hot, hot vapor, and this is really important in the production of contrails. When the jet engine produces water vapor, that hot exhaust mixes with the freezing air, rapidly cooling it. If the atmospheric conditions are right, that water vapor condenses and freezes into tiny ice crystals, creating the white strikes that you see. You might also notice that the trail doesn't start exactly at the plane, but some distance behind it. And that's actually because the exhaust needs some time to mix with the surrounding air and cool down enough to reach the saturation point. So why do some planes produce contrails but others don't? Well, the air is only cold enough for the water vapor to condense near the top of the troposphere in the tropopause. The air must be around -70 degrees Fahrenheit or -57 degrees Celsius. Most commercial planes have a cruising altitude around this point, but some might have recently taken off or are descending, so the air isn't cold enough. Now, how long a contrail lasts depends mostly on the surrounding air. If the air is dry, the trail can disappear in seconds, but if the air is already close to being full of moisture, the contrail can linger for hours. So now you know what a contrail is and how it's formed. Thanks so much for watching.